You won't believe what Google just did. It's not just another phone launch. They're going straight for Apple's throat. The date is locked in, the leaks are flooding out, and the Pixel 10 series? It's not just coming, it might just flip the whole game board. Welcome back, legends. Sam here. Smash that like button, share this with your tech tribe, and hit subscribe if you want the juiciest updates before anyone else does. So yeah, August 20th, mark that day. Google's pulling back the curtain on what might be their boldest hardware lineup yet, and trust me, the timing isn't random. It lands just before Apple's big iPhone 17 reveal. Coincidence? Not a chance. Google's aiming to steal the spotlight before Apple even gets to warm up the stage. And they're not coming with just a Pixel 10. Oh no, we're looking at 4 new phones, a new Pixel Watch 4, and yeah, a foldable that might finally make Samsung sweat. Let's talk Pixel 10 Pro Fold for a second. Leaks say it could be the world's first dust-proof foldable. Not water-resistant, dust-proof. That alone is insane, but that's not all. Bigger outer screen, bigger battery, totally revamped camera system, and yes, it might even undercut Samsung's Fold 7 in price. Speaking of price, this part shocked me. Despite all the upgrades, Google might actually keep the same price points as last year in Europe. Pixel 10 starting at €899? That's wild, especially when Samsung just bumped their prices again. The Pixel 10 Pro and the new XL version are going big on storage, up to 1 terabyte, and still staying close to what we saw with the Pixel 9 lineup. And the Fold? Yeah, it's premium. Starts at €1,899 and climbs up from there, but still undercutting the competition. If this holds in the US, that's going to rattle a lot of cages. But here's the twist. Pricing might not be the same in the States. Tariffs, supply chains, and regional strategies could shake things up. There are whispers that the XL could be pricier in the US, but the Fold might actually be cheaper. Nothing's confirmed, but it's going to be spicy. Let's rewind to the engine behind all this, the new Tensor G5 chip. And this time, it's not built by Samsung. It's TSMC. Yep, the same chip maker behind Apple's A series and Qualcomm's Best. That switch alone could be the biggest performance jump in Pixel history. Faster speeds, better thermal control, and way better efficiency. This is where Google stops experimenting and starts playing for keeps. And for the first time ever, the base Pixel 10 might actually feel pro. Triple camera setup, new main sensor, better ultra-wide. It's like Google finally realized people want flagship power without flagship pricing. You won't get a total redesign, but the hardware tweaks this year, they're smarter, not louder.
Well,
Now let's talk Pixel Watch 4.
yeah, it still rocks the Snapdragon W5 chip, and the design might look familiar, but don't sleep on this update.
We're expecting better battery life and faster charging, and when it comes to wearables, that's everything. Google's aiming for practicality this time, not just aesthetics. Oh, and Android 16 is coming baked right in. You know what that means. AI, AI, AI. But this isn't just the usual smarter assistant stuff. Google's reportedly baking an AI that's tightly woven into the entire Pixel experience. Think predictive actions, live translation, context-aware suggestions, the kind of features that feel like magic, but only work because it's a Pixel. Here's the fun part. According to a recent poll, over half of respondents are hyped for the Pixel 10, specifically because of the new chip and foldable model. But 27% think it's just another refresh, and 19% say the Pixel brand has lost its spark. So who's right? Is this Pixel 10 launch a total game changer, or just a flashy refresh? From what we're seeing, Google's done playing safe. The G5 chip, the shift to TSMC, the world's first dust-proof foldable stable pricing, smarter AI, bigger batteries. This isn't just another Pixel. This is the most complete Pixel lineup we've ever seen. There's something here for every kind of user, whether you want a compact daily driver, a feature-packed Pro XL, or you're ready to fold into the future. And did I mention the Pixel Buds 2a? Yeah, they're part of the party too. Leaked at €149, which is a bump from last year's €99 model. That price hike better come with some serious sound upgrades. And honestly, I'm betting it does. Google knows they can't just recycle the same earbuds anymore. Not with the competition heating up. Now what about the global picture? The Pixel still has a small slice of the market compared to Apple or Samsung, but Google's not backing down. They're playing the long game, slowly tightening their grip by offering smarter software, slicker hardware, and ecosystem-exclusive features that keep you coming back. But the real challenge, US pricing. If Google can hold the line and avoid big hikes, the Pixel 10 series could finally break into the mainstream in a big way. If not, well, even die-hard Pixel fans might think twice before upgrading. So here's the question. Will the Pixel 10 be the moment Google finally gets its iPhone moment? We'll find out August 20th. Until then, the leaks are just going to keep rolling, and you already know I'll be covering every one of them. Let me know in the comments, are you all in for Pixel 10, or are you still waiting for Google to blow your mind?